Hi guys, so this is a video about repairing tubeless tyres. I woke up this morning and I've got to take a load of scrap metal to the yard, and I come out and I had a flat tyre. So this video is about how to find the flat and repair it. What I've got is, this is the tyre that was flat this morning. I've used the compressor and pumped it up, and I'm now going to try and find out where this leak is and whether I have to take the wheel off or I can find out while it's on there. So what I've made up is a little solution in a spray bottle of soapy water. So it's just dishwashing, it's actually car washing liquid mixed with water in a little spray bottle. And what we're going to do is spray it on the tyre and see if we can find where the leak is. What you'll do is you'll be looking for little bubbles out of the tyre, or if you can hear any leak. And as you can see there, it just so happens it's already found it. I thought I'd actually going to have to take the wheel off to have a look at this, but no. As you can see there, it's bubbling away, and I've found where the hole is. So now I'll take the wheel off and show you how to repair a puncture in a tubeless tyre for nothing, or very little. Now that we've found that where the actual air leak is, and I'm going to remove the tyre to be able to fix it up. Now normally a garage or tyre place will have some chalk or crayon, etc. I don't have anything like that. Now if you have kids chalk or kids crayons, you can use that. I'm going to mark it just with some spray paint that I've got, so as I know the area to repair when I actually get it off. Now I've removed the tyre and I've sprayed it all over just to confirm that there is no other leaks. Not that it matters, it doesn't take much to take the tyre off and repair it, but might as well just do it at the same time now. So I've got the one hole in the tyre that I'm going to patch. Step one before we do the patch is remove the valve, get all the air out of the tyre before we dismantle, before we try to repair it. Now as we go further to repair the hole, we basically first need the little puncture repair kit, which is 20 bucks. We use the little raspy tool, as you'll see, which is really cute and vicious. And basically we look at where we've got the hole and we want to run this into the tyre. As you see, it's not too hard, but basically this roughs up where the hole is to enable us to put the patch in. Once we've used that, we then grab a piece of our puncture repair thread, and we're going to remove one piece of that, and we're going to thread it through the eye of this big needle and plunge it into the tyre. So we plunge that into the tube, into the tyre, get it so that it's still a little bit sticking out that we can remove, and basically when we go to pull it out, it removes. So it's disconnected, it's in there, and it's basically filling the gap. Now what we'll do is just cut those little ends off of it and re-inflate it. Simple as that. And it's now embedded into the gap that we had on the tyre. Now we'll reinstall the valve. Inflate our tyre. We've inflated our tyre to the pressure. We checked again with the spray and see if we've got any more leak. And no, it doesn't look like we've got any more leak. There's no bubbles. I believe we're cured. Now fit the wheel back onto the car.